Today we are explaining how the teaching of C.R.E. promotes national unity. Then we outline the reasons why the Bible is translated from original language to local languages. And then lastly we look at why should Christians read the Bible. Let's explain how the teaching of C.R.E. promotes national unity. When you're told to explain these, you're supposed to expound on what C.R.E. teaches to promote oneness, or rather to promote harmony in the society. So number one, the subject makes learners appreciate and respect one another. Number two, it teaches learners that each person is created in God's image and is fearfully and wonderfully made. Number three, the subject teaches living values and virtues of sharing, concern for one another, patience, and tolerance. The subject also makes the learners to acquire basic principles of Christian living, here such as love of God and love of neighbor, whereby you love your neighbor as you love yourself. C.R.E. also teaches the learner to appreciate his or her own cultural heritage and that of other people. The subject teaches that we are all brothers and sisters of one another, thus we should have unity. C.R.E. teaches about the importance of love. It also teaches social moral values which strengthen unity among citizens. It teaches that human beings have no origin and destiny. It teaches African traditional religion, which is derived from different cultural backgrounds. And if it's derived from these different backgrounds, it means that all are able to learn about each other, therefore promoting harmony. And lastly, C.R.E. teaches the importance of understanding ourselves and appreciating others as important beings to be respected. Now, we are going to outline the reasons why the Bible is translated from original languages to local language or local languages. So when you're told to outline the reasons why the Bible is translated from original to local languages, you're supposed to answer that after the translation, one is enabled to do what? Or after this translation, what will happen in order for what to take place or to enable what? So number one, in order to enable the word of God to reach more people in their own language. Number two, to train local people to take up leadership roles. Number three, in order to increase the demand for formal education, to facilitate expansion of the church. And number five, to indigenize Christianity, which basically means to make Christianity suitable for the locals or for the local people, to encourage research into African language and also to encourage the research into African culture in order to establish local Bible translation societies. And also another reason why it was translated is because original languages were not easily understood. That is, these were the languages that the Bible was written in earlier. They were not easily understood. And at number 9, many people in the world were using English as a medium of communication. It enables the Africans to have a clear understanding of the Bible. And at number 11, to enable establishment of local bookshops for distribution of locally printed religious literature. And at number 12, to enable the new missionaries to learn vernacular languages. And lastly, we are going to look at the reasons why Christians should read the Bible. Why should Christians read the Bible? Number one, because the Bible provides Christians with moral values on how to cordially relate with others. That is it provides with moral values. Moral values meaning it provides Christians with right behavior. That is as per the standards of God. Number two, it is a source of spiritual growth and development. The Bible helps Christians understand their relationship with God. The Bible strengthens their faith in God. It helps them answer some of life's mysterious questions such as the origin and death. That is, where do humans come from? Where did they come from? And also, where did death come? How did death come to be? It is an authentic word of God. It is the authentic word of God. Basically, authentic means it's genuine word of God in order to appreciate their religion and that of others. Also, Christians read the Bible because it makes Christians advocate for harmony and peace in order to realize unity for humankind. The Bible equips Christians with different life skills such as critical thinking. At number 10, it is a source of Christian beliefs and practices. Kindly add more points in the comment section. Let me know what you think about today's video. Thanks a lot for subscribing and listening to me. God bless you.